Hello.
It's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a fab day. Today guys, I've got for you a Glossy box unboxing.
Ooh, and I'm here as well for some reason.
So yes, today we are unboxing Marchy's Glossy box. But today, for a change, I'm not unboxing this month's Glossy box.
Lunaries!
She would love that, absolutely love that. Chris is unboxing it. So, I won't expect Chris to know the prices of the Glossy box, so I will tell you that bit, but Chris is going to kind of tell you everything else.
Does that mean you need something? That's not even... I've got to fully unbox it. It's got tape on it.
There's a little pulley thing on the box.
Okay.
So usually how I start my videos is by telling everybody what a Glossy box is.
This is a Glossy box.
Oh.
What? Oh, right.
You don't hold my dress up.
Okay. Oh, dude. That's a Glossy box. Ooh, okay, right there. You can have that. Luna's got the bit of card.
Advert for some chocolates.
Yeah.
Right, so we can ditch the cardboard box.
Okay.
So...
This is a Glossy box.
And what is a Glossy box?
I don't know. It's one of the things that you do videos about. It's got stuff in it, I'm guessing.
What type of stuff?
Well, knowing you, makeup and stuff.
Okay.
And things like that.
Makeup and stuff.
Yeah, makeup and stuff.
So Glossy box, I'll tell you this because I don't expect Chris to know this. You can get it on either a monthly subscription where you just pay month by month, or you can get a 12 monthly subscription. If you just choose to pay 1 month at a time, well both, you do pay 1 month at a time for both, but if you just want to subscribe for 1 month, that will cost you £13.25, or if you subscribe for a year, then the boxes only cost £11.75, which is the one I have.
Okay,
so,
I wasn't listening,
so now,
looking at the dog.
what I usually do is unbox the products in the box one by one, telling you a little bit about them and what they are.
So am I doing that now then?
Yeah.
So, it's inside of the lid, I don't know if that's relevant. Ooh.
Standard Glossy box.
Okay, scan me.
I suppose I'll do that bit.
Okay.
I'll pick up the phone.
Oh, is that what you get these days?
Yeah, little QR code. Last time I unboxed it, it was the last thing I found in the box.
And another one of these, so they're obviously keen to give these away.
Well, they're not giving them away.
I
think it's just an advert.
A voucher or something. Well.
Why can't my QR code's not working?
Ooh, look, it's got a bow. Ooh.
Scan me.
Undo the bow, and then it's got a little thing on the paper to open me. I don't know if you can probably not make that out. But, anyway.
It's like a professional unboxer.
Rip. I didn't do a very good job of that.
No,
okay, right. Is there any particular order?
No. I usually go by what's in the book, but I am leaving it to you to just decide and tell us about each of the products.
I'll go with this one first. The spray can of cotton candy.
Oh.
It's
you would
not,
like that.
Oh, you do that with your videos too.
If it doesn't go, but don't worry, I'll be inserting a picture.
Okay, that's fine then, because that wasn't working.
So,
cotton candy from Bilu. That's terrible handwriting, whoever that writing is.
yeah, Bilu.
Bilu.
I've never heard of them.
Made with love. Now it says creamy shower foam on it, so it's a bit of a
So
giveaway.
what do you think it is?
I'm guessing it's like
Creamy shower foam.
Well, yeah, like we used to get, like it's like shower gel but a foamy version.
Pretty much, it's like an imperial leather kind of thing, I'm assuming.
How to use. To get the most of your extra creamy Bilu foam, please note the following. Shake can vigorously before use. Hold upright.
You don't need to demonstrate using it,
And
just FYI.
dispense the shower foam into your hands, then spread it evenly over wet skin. Rinse well, avoid eye contact. That enough? Do you need ingredients or the philosophy?
Fine. I will tell you on the little app, it tells you that it's worth £3.99. And again, it's a shower one. It looks like on here though, they do come in 4 different flavours. Not flavours, what would you say, scents?
I was going to say, is it going to smell?
Probably, yeah. So there's cocoa cocktail, tasty donut, pink melon and fizzy berry.
Ooh.
What have we got?
Candy floss. Cotton candy.
Which isn't on the list.
Okay.
But apparently, so maybe there's 5 flavours. So now Chris has it in his hand. Does it smell nice?
Alright. It smells of something.
I think, Lou.
I mean, I wouldn't necessarily say what was it? Cotton candy.
Yeah.
I want to say candy floss.
It's like a
thing,
sweet
isn't it?
kind
It's
of
the
smell, yeah.
Cotton candy floss, same thing.
Okay.
Yeah, it has an order. Okay,
Next product then, please, Christopher.
The Magnetone London Wipeout thingy. I'm doing a really bad job of this, aren't I? You're doing an insert.
Yeah.
Okay. The Amazing Microfiber Cleansing Cloth. I mean, kind of, it's telling me, I'm getting lots of hints on these things. Removes makeup with just warm water. So I'm guessing...
I don't ever do that.
It's one of these things you've got millions of dotted around the house.
I would always recommend using a product with these things, but they are good.
It's not what it says on the box.
I know, but they are good. I just think if you want a proper cleanse, you need to use a cleanser.
I've seen plenty of these lying around the house.
Not only lying around the house, I use them in the bathroom. Right, okay. They end up in the wash. When
I do the washing, when I'm hanging the washing out, there's lots of these things. Well, bloody hell are these things? Now I know.
Now we know.
They are amazing microfiber cleansing cloths.
I do have a Magnetone London one actually that I do really like, I think. This one is a recommended retail price of £8.
Next. We have James Reid Gradual Tan Sleep Mask Tan Body. Is this like fake tan you put on when you go to sleep?
I would assume so.
Is it not going to end up on your pillows? You're not going to end up with just tanned pillows?
Well, I don't know.
It's all in German.
According to this, it is fast drying formula and it is colourless to keep your bed sheets and PJs clean.
Oh, well, there we go then. A luxurious skincare enriched tanning treatment that creates a subtle glow.
Ooh.
Suits all skin tones.
And it's worth £21.
Insert if you haven't already inserted.
Probably already.
Okay. On to the next.
Yes, please. Let's see what else we got.
Let's smell it, actually.
You're going to smell it?
Yeah, why not?
Is it sealed?
Nope. No. Won't get on my hands because then I'll end up with fake
hands.
hands.
Just use it. You might
no, because then I'm going to end up with brown hands. Next. Hey, that's why they've got so much.
Ah.
I can deal with these. Next.
Oh, we get a Marshmallow Marsh Bar. Or we get a Raffaello,
Raffaello, I'd call it.
Raffaello.
They're kind of like white chocolate Ferrero Rochers. Crisp coconut speciality with smooth coconut filling and a whole almond.
The app says it is a crunchy white almond surrounded by velvety smooth cream in a crispy wafer shell. Yeah. Covered with coconut flakes. Yeah, I've never tried that before.
Coconutty, white chocolatey, almondy Ferrero Rocher. Yeah, but you get 4 in the pack. Not bad for freebie. What was the other option? You got this or
marshmallow bar.
Oh, this is better. I'd say this is better.
Yeah, the vanilla marshmallow bar coated in milk chocolate.
Yeah, that's a better score. So well done, dear. Cool.
Yeah, tried really hard.
I know what you do then. You put them in your mouth.
It's more in your wheelhouse than mine, I think.
Right. Next.
Next, there's usually 5 products. How many have we had?
2 proper ones.
2 proper ones.
Oh no, the face cloth. I just.
Luna's now playing with on the floor.
That's it. I didn't throw it. But...
Luna's managed to get it under the bed.
Oh God. Let's deal with that.
I think. Yeah. It's here!
This part I was trying to do really still so you could cut just in and fine. Now I look like an idiot who's just gone perfectly still. So the next thing, Luna's gonna... Luna!
How many conversations have we had, Luna? These are not yours.
Okay, so Elriccia Beauty?
Yeah, I don't know. It's not one I've heard of, to be fair.
Illuminateur, natural, vegan and eco-friendly.
Wow.
Right. I mean, it looks like nail polish, but then that looks like a dropper.
Right.
So I'm guessing it's not nail polish.
I mean, do you think you could do your nails like that?
No, you use brushes and stuff. But then what would you like? Paw? Lips? Lips? Maybe? I don't know. Well, what would you paw? Why would... I've seen you do that with like skin stuff, but that's a really funky skin colour to put on your face.
It's a a rosé liquid highlighter.
Doesn't smell like rosé. I like smell it, is that cotton candy floss stuff, but it's a what?
It's a rose liquid highlighter, a subtle pink highlighter that you put on the high points of your face for a sun-kissed shine. And it's worth £12.80.
That's really... So that goes on your face?
Yeah.
But isn't that going to be like a... No, fine, go on then.
It's like a highlighter, so you could just put a little bit on.
I mean, not that I can see.
No, and then you'd rub it in.
It just... I'm guessing it doesn't look as, like, bright coloured as it does there.
No. So you've now just got a subtle glow.
Before, after, no, the other way around. I don't know. It's too bright to see.
If one side of Chris's face is shining more than the other,
that's fine.
then we know why.
Yeah.
Okay, so there should be one product left. Hopefully, we know Glossy Box have missed things out of my boxes in the past.
We've got a mood stick.
A mood stick.
Ooh, okay. It's a pH changing lipstick. Insert here. To give me any more clues. It's never. Okay. So it goes from. Again, insert here. A blue to a purple.
Possibly. The one that I've actually got on today is the Beauty Crop. In fact, this might have came from a Glossy Box. And it's a lip gloss that changes colour in lips.
Does it matter if I break the box trying to get into it?
No, I suppose not.
No, because you want to take a picture and you get into it.
Do you know what I always find a good knack is?
From the bottom.
Is doing the bottom always seems to open a lot easier on a lot of things. But apparently not this one. What the hell? Well packaged, that one. But it is usually the bottom. Like paper packaging.
Yeah. Eco-friendly. Or paper. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh look, I've got that stuff on my hands. That cheek stuff.
Highlighter. Liquid highlighter, dear.
So I do this then.
Yeah. Great if it goes bright pink.
Has it gone blue?
No, it's not on blue. It is blue.
No, I'm saying, is it blue?
No.
Alright, well what's the point of it being blue then?
Because it changes colour on your lips. It reacts with your natural pH of your skin to change your lips
Well, why not
to
just,
like a brighter, more vibrant colour.
Why not just make it purple? What's the point in the blueness of it? I expected it gone blue and then it colour change.
No, it goes on a different colour. It's pH reacting.
Will
it
it work
changes.
if I do it on my hand?
Yeah, possibly.
This one's broken. Doesn't do anything. I was expecting it
your
to...
lips do look like they've got more colour to them.
I was expecting it to be all Joey... Oh no, you got it. And Ichiban. Oh yeah. Ooh, they do look like they're popping a bit more, I think.
It's a subtle hint of colour. It's what I've got in a minute. Like
is this stuff going to wash off easily?
That, yeah.
Well, that and that. And this. I've got my dad coming round shortly.
You can borrow some too.
Okay, I suppose, yeah. Well, I say he might get jealous, he might want some.
So, what I would then usually do... Oh, the sticker's changed, I didn't even look.
I told you at the beginning.
What I usually do then is a little rundown of the products and what I think of them.
Okay.
So...
Oh, look at the cardboard. This I know, I've got fancy lips. So,
a rundown of what the products are and what I thought of them, and then maybe let them know what my favourite item in the box was.
Okay, well that's my favourite because I can eat it, the chocolate.
Well, that's just a bonus, so maybe pick a product.
Okay, that's pointless because she's got loads of those. So that's last place. Fake tan, just no.
Do you not want to rub yourself all over with it tonight, and then you can go out looking like a
bronze
golden,
goddess.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, maybe we'll try that. Yeah, that's definitely working. So that well, no, let's put that one. I just smelt it. I'm gonna go with that one last because yeah, I don't.
Oh, fourth.
No,
third.
sorry, last.
Third.
Sorry, yeah, third. Mid. That gets 3 points. Because I can't really tell if it's.
Yeah, you've got something about it.
Yeah, I've got a glow on one side.
Got a glow.
That one because it's got a smell. It's a nice smell. So a bonus.
Okay.
And then that one because my lips are popping.
Woo!
Yeah, so that wins. Yeah, cool.
Okay, cool.
I mean, I know I didn't do a kind of proper rundown.
So,
I'm just kind of going.
If you were to get these products in your monthly box, would you want to keep your subscription on for the next month?
Personally, do you get free chocolate?
Occasionally.
I'd have to have guaranteed chocolate. Yeah,
This
again.
cost me £11.75.
Okay, how much is that mood lipstick
Oh, I
worth?
don't think I said how much the mood lipstick was worth.
Okay.
The mood lipstick is worth £17.
£17? Oh, there you go then.
£17.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I would keep them. Just for that. You've made your money back on that already and got free chocolate. So
some boxes are better than others.
Yeah.
There's a lot of lesser known brands in this one, I think. Well, the tannin one I've heard of. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I've never heard of that one.
I'm trying to display them nicely,
Okay.
but it's not
Yeah,
happening.
because then next we need to take a picture for the video thumbnail. So
No, just all falling over. Never mind.
Okay.
Yeah, kind of. No.
thank you very much for unboxing,
Those things.
Christopher.
Welcome. Anytime. Next time.
Next time, yeah, drop us a comment. Let me know if you want Chris to unbox in the future.
Same time next month.
Yeah, probably. Depends on when Glossy Box. We know from my videos that Glossy Box can be very hit and miss as to when they deliver the boxes. But hopefully, around and about this time every month. I have kept my subscription on for now because there's a couple of perks to Glossy Box. I wanted to see Chris unbox one, so I did keep it on. So drop me a comment and let me know what you guys think of this box. We know what Chris thinks of this box. I think it's okay. It's not the best box from Glossy Box we've had. It's alright.
Okay. Oh, get better.
Alright.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Okie dokie then, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like I say, drop us a comment. Let us know what you think of the box. Let us know how you think Chris did. And if you've enjoyed the video, then do us a favour and
Thumbs up. Like.
hit the like button.
Hit the like button. And
what else should they do?
Subscribe, please. Yeah. That it?
Okay. Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
Thank you very much for watching.
I'll get better. I promise.
Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.